Mr. Beeland here with one last little bit here talking about polyatomic ions and hydrates for naming, okay? So the previous videos we were talking about binary compounds, where it was only the two elements together. However, we know that we can have more than two things combined together in an element. So let's look at polyatomic ions, right? Poly stands for many, so many atoms. We have a list of well-known ones, for example, SO4 and this is sulfate, right? PO4 is phosphate. So it's important when noticing polyatomic ions that they will have different names. You will have a table with common polyatomic ions on it, okay? So if I have something like K2PO4, I'm going to erase this here, we see that it's a polyatomic ion. We try to figure out which piece of it is polyatomic. It is the PO4. That was phosphate. Then we have our K. What is K? Potassium. So we would have potassium, sorry, that's supposed to be a lowercase, phosphate. Now again, you will have a table with all of the common polyatomic ions on it, so you just need to be able to identify that it is in fact a polyatomic ion, and then you can just look on your tables. Now hydrates are when there's extra water molecules just attached to a compound. So I could have something like CuCl, one of our previous examples, copper 2 chloride, and we could have, you're going to use a dot, two hydrogen atoms attached to it, right? Or two hydrogen molecules attached to it. So this is a hydrate. So we would call this copper 2 chloride hydrate. So copper 2 chloride hydrate. And that's all there really is to hydrates.